Does closing the stack on your offset smoker result in juicier meat? To test it out, I smoked some pork tenderloins with the stack wide open on my Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Offset until they reached 145 degrees and 165 degrees. Then I did the same thing on 2 other pork tenderloins with the stack 2/3 closed. Both 145 degree loins took the same amount of time to cook and lost roughly the same amount of moisture weight with a slight edge to the closed stack loin. But the 165 degree loins in the closed stack test cooked twice as fast and retained much more moisture than the open stack 165 degree loin. I also measured the humidity in the cook chamber and I found that yes, closing the stack does in fact raise the amount of moisture in the air in the cook chamber. The one downside is that by closing the stack down, you get much more smoke concentrating in the cook chamber, so you get smokier meat. So what I would say is it might be a good idea to close your stack down for larger cuts of meat like brisket and pork. You'll probably get juicier results, but with smaller, more delicate cuts like fish and chicken, might not be a great idea, and you're probably better off cooking with a stack wide open. Until next time, happy smoking.